Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off smart scheduling in the Duolingo app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Duolingo app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our course. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then we go into the top right corner, tap on the cog icon. Scroll down, and here under notifications we have smart scheduling. We can turn this off, which means that the app isn't going to adapt to how we use it, and it's going to send us a reminder at the same time every day. And here we can actually set the reminder time like this, and then we can tap on OK. It's going to save it. Or we can just turn smart scheduling back on, and it's going to send us the reminder when it's most optimal. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for the guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.